From the Flora CME Group, it's Top That Trade with our players Scott Shellady and Alan Nuckman ready to knock down a few trading rounds. Round number one, guys, Euro Gusher. Iran wants to be paid in euros for its oil rather than dollars. What does a weaker dollar mean to the market?
Well, I believe the dollar's finally turned after this many-year bull rush. It's now down to levels we haven't seen since October. The euro currency is bouncing back. That can be a positive for a lot of stocks that have suffered because of the export ills with that strong dollar.
I'm sorry, I don't think you heard the question. Is it a good idea for Iran to be paid in euros rather than dollars?
No, that's a fact. That's not part of the question.
Don't you have an opinion on that?
I don't think it hurts.
I don't think the dollar's gotten stronger for no good reason except for the fact that we've had a Fed governor, a Fed president, or chairman that has put us up, rhetorically speaking, into an area that we shouldn't be. She raised rates when we shouldn't have raised rates. She's talked up the economy when we're bouncing along the bottom. All the while the rest of the world is decaying around us. So de facto, it's making us look strong, which it shouldn't. It's decimated our commodities and it's decimated our oil industry.
Actually, commodities have been hit hard prior to that rate hike.
I'm glad that you brought up commodities. In round number two, penny thoughts. Declining metal prices reduced the cost of producing a penny to 1.5 cents compared to 2.5 cents just last year. Is the production cost loss going to get better or worse?
Well, now that the Fed has run out of all the quivers and the arrows in their quiver, the monetary policy is spent, we should just get rid of the penny because that will be an automatic inflationary thing at the till. So we'll round up in prices and now finally buy the inflation.
I agree with you. I agree with you. From a conservative standpoint, it makes sense to get rid of the penny.
Right.
To get rid of the penny. Actually, we could get rid of the nickel as well, and we could get rid of the paper dollar.
That'd be getting rid of your paycheck then.
The paper dollar, go to a loony version, right. The dollar coin. I think that'd be helpful. But the lesson we learned here is that I think the metal markets are going to rebound, so it's only going to get worse.
Yeah, and
this actual cost loss is going to get worse. And we've seen gold at $1,200 an ounce. And I'm looking for copper.
That's because of negative interest rates. That's not because of metals have turned.
I'm looking for copper to bounce here. It's holding around the $2 level. And FCX is the play I'm looking for. I'll
put the order in for you. I'll work it for you.
Between $4 and $6. A breakout above 6 targets 8, which is 60% above where it is now. And that stock was at $20 at this time last year.
Faster and louder makes it smarter.
Round number three, Muskie moves. Visionary Elon Musk has lost about $4 billion in 2016 as he owns Tesla. Has his stock turned?
Well, this is another example of Schadenfreude when we all have to get around and take joy out of others' losses. Now, yes, Solar City, arguably a joke, but he was
right.
One of the largest investors in that. And you know what? I don't think that his car manufacturing company is going to be around for the long haul, but he's doing a good thing by changing technology.
Well, the question
I don't want to sit around and applaud his losses.
Is Tesla over? Really, that's the question. It's not about his losses. Is Tesla over? He has suffered, but he had made a lot of money in the last few years.
Yeah, but how do you make his money? Government subsidies, young man. You take a look at his balance sheet. He gets paid by the government.
Okay, so the question is Tesla going to turn the corner? It's been traded between 280 and 180.
You know what? If they knock over his mailbox, he's out of business because he can't get that government subsidy.
And I'm looking to see. I'm still negative on Tesla. If it can't get back above 180, believe it or not.
So you've knocked over his mailbox.
I don't think it's going to recover. But you can't. It's really hard to doubt Elon Musk in the long haul.
More competition and less government intervention spells the end for Elon Musk and
So
Tesla.
Are you going to short Tesla? It's 30% short right now.
Yeah. Well, why couldn't it be 50 and make it equal?
It could.
On to your bonus round question for today. Burger King will be selling a new product. Will it be spicy chicken fries, hot dogs, or red shakes for Valentine's Day?
I saw the chicken burger. That I thought was revolutionary, but I didn't see
that wasn't
the
a question. That wasn't an answer.
The chicken burger.
The answer is hot dogs.
Once again, this is getting old.
You win.
It's too easy.
Thanks so much for playing.
That was a layup. That was a layup.
We'll make it tougher next time. Thanks so much for being on this show. Business First AM continues right after this.